Let's define what is biostatistics. For the definition of biostatistics, you have to understand in the biostatistics, we collect data. After collection, organize it. After organization, present it in a graphical presentation way, and then summarize data. After that, analyze data, and conclusion of data or interpretation of data. So it's mean in a biostatistics, a 6 steps are involved from collection of data to conclusion of data. Let's further explore each component. How we can do a data collection. We can do it by sending a questionnaire, by doing interview or group discussion. There are furthermore ways to collect data, but here I am doing a simple discussion. So the second point is organization of data. If we get the data, so how we can organize it? So we can organize data into a table format. For example, frequency table. So after the organization of data, we display the data in a graphical presentation form which is easy to understand, and it's include histogram, bar graph or pie chart. After displaying of data, we have to summarization of data. So in the biostatistics, if we have to summarize the data, so we have to tell us the center of data and how much the data is spread, what is the location of data, and what is the shape or distribution of data. So this is actually the summarization of data. So our fifth step is analysis of data. In the analysis of data, we perform statistical analysis like parametric test, non-parametric test, and there are furthermore tests which we'll discuss later. So in the last step, which is the conclusion or interpretation of data, so when we perform the data, then we do a conclusion. In conclusion, we generalize the finding from sample to population. So in a summary, the definition of biostatics is start from the collection of data, organizing data, displaying data, summarizing data, analyzing data, and interpretation of data.